The Material World 19. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over the importance of maintaining a balanced life, whereby a Muslim fulfills their necessities and responsibilities in this world, prepares adequately for the hereafter, and occasionally enjoys lawful pleasures. Even though this is the best approach, it is very difficult to fulfill, just like walking a tightrope, whereby a person can easily fall into either of the two extremes. One side is when one is too focused on the material world, which prevents them from striving in preparing for the hereafter correctly. The other side is where one strives hard in preparing for the hereafter, but struggles and even fails to fulfill their worldly duties. But it is important to note that even though a perfect balance is best, it is far better to incline towards the hereafter than this material world. As the one who favors the hereafter might find this world difficult, but they are more likely to achieve eternal success in the hereafter. On the other hand, the one who inclines to the world more may find success therein, but they are more likely to fail in the hereafter. In other words, inclining towards the hereafter is the safer option compared to inclining towards the material world. So if a Muslim struggles to find the perfect balance, which the vast majority do, they should be kind to themselves and incline more towards the hereafter, so that they can obtain eternal success instead of temporary worldly success. Chapter 87 Al-Ala, verses 16 to 17.
But you prefer the worldly life, while the hereafter is better and more enduring.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.